How to connect GoDaddy hosting to another domain. The first thing that we need to do is load up the GoDaddy website, click on your name in the top right corner and go into My Products. Now here the first thing that I'm going to do is copy this domain, which I will connect to my hosting. So I'll just copy my domain here. You can directly go into web hosting and then right here we'll just click on manage. Now this is going to load up the settings for our specific web hosting plan, and basically once this page loads we will just look for the cPanel options. So this is the website, this is going to be my current domain, and we want to select cPanel admin. So from the cPanel admin here that loads, we will scroll down until we see the section for domains. Click on domains and it's going to show us this main domain, so on and so forth. So we will just create a new domain here and we will paste our domain name, and it's going to show me that maximum number of domains for this account has been reached. But if you use another domain here, you can do it, and you just click on submit, and that's how you do it, add on domains. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.